Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 65 Corvette C8.R. So we do have one more C8.R. I personally like that livery, and I did unbox it like a year and a half back. So you can just check it in my Hot Wheels playlist. You can see that is exactly the same casting. I just checked it out, before I made this video. So I bought this for MRP, which is 549, and this is from the recent pop culture set which was released in India. So let's unbox this and see how this particular casting differs from the older one. So these kind of castings I don't buy too. So because first of all these are costly, and second thing is I'm really not that crazy on Corvettes and Barbie, to be honest. I do like Corvette a lot, but not to the range where I can buy two two or three. So one is sufficient. Okay, so out of the box, let me put some light here. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks really nice. So the paint job is okay. So when it comes to a lot of lettering in on top of a paint job, it looks smeared a little bit. It always looks like that. So it has rear view mirrors, they just painted it out a little bit, so to accentuate, I guess. So it does have some kind of acrylics for the headlights. So even the original one which I had, that one has the exact, this is the exact same casting. There is no difference on the casting part, and everything is metal. So from top to bottom, including the spoilers in this one, and the chassis, everything is metal in this one. And the rims looks really nice. So I don't know why they went with this particular color scheme. So pink, along with pink they could have went with black maybe, because pink really matches with the black compared to the fluorescent one. This looks a bit not good. It looks like I'm going to throw up. That's how it makes me feel, the color scheme they used. But overall, on the casting standpoint, this looks really nice. You can see the paint job here for the fuel caps. So these parts here in the grill and everything, okay, it is embossed, but here it is not. So the logo placement is nice. So the logo is not really detailed, but it is nice. So you can see the tail light details here, exhaust details here. So overall the casting is a solid one and it is fully metal. Let's do a roll test real quick. So it is heavy, so I'm hoping that this would go faster. Okay, it rolls good, not really well or anything. It rolls good, and the rear wheel has a lot of wobble to it. Wow, that makes me feel really shitty, because as you can see, the casting is actually really nice. And if you guys are are a customizing kind of guys, you can easily remove this paint and do something on top of it. And the rims and all really these are really nice. So someday I'll be doing a comparison. Okay, why not now? Let me just take that particular casting which I'm having. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I don't want to push anything. Okay. So here it is. So this one I personally loved so much because you can see, so everything is really same, nothing is new. So I personally like this particular set of rims here compared to this one. Both are a bit different if you see, little bit, but you can see the color scheme on this one. This looks so beautiful, like super heroic, and this looks so awesome compared to this one. But apart from that, everything else is same. Let me just put this aside, and yeah, I'll just try to do roll test, because back then I didn't do roll test and all. This doesn't roll really well. At least this rolls a bit better than that one, as you can see. So, but this one doesn't roll really well. But anyway, we are not going to play with it. I mean, like this in a track and all. So, this looks more beautiful than this one. I mean, even though it's the same casting, given that the paint job and the paint job on the rims and everything looks so different on this one. This is even the chassis, you can see it is matte black, and here they actually kind of chromed out, I can say. So this one is so awesome compared to this one. So if you guys ask me, whether if you can buy this particular casting, see, casting wise, I really love this specific casting, so my suggestion would be go ahead and buy it. So if you guys are really not that much into like this Barbie stuff, then don't go, because I bought this specifically. So I originally in my mind I was thinking, let me just give it to my wife. So because it's pink and it's Barbie and everything, so I bought it. So rest is up to her whether she wants to keep it on her desk or she wants to keep it on my desk like this here. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.